Hey y'all, I'm Mitchell. Been working on machines for about 50 years, but today we're just going to talk about the devil itself. That's right, WD-40. I just get tired of hearing, oh, it locked my machine up, it collected dust. Collects dust because you don't have a cover on it. So, I'm going to make a quick video here, and we're going to, not good at talking, not good at making videos, but we're going to try it. There's the devil. My go-to stuff is actually mineral spirits, about a cup, about a teaspoon to tablespoon of 3-in-1 oil. Saturate your machine, and this will fix 97% of your problems. Another good solution is this multi-purpose blaster. It's a good lubricant, frees stuff up, and works rather well. Today we're going to focus on a Calibri Groma. So this one's pretty stuck up. Let's take this cover off. These keys are stuck really wood. Let's take this out, take this out, take this out, and then I'm going to spray this down, and I'm going to let it sit, and then periodically check it. So let's get started. Oh boy, danger, danger, oh my God. Okay, let's spray it all down like this. Just spray it everywhere. Thing about WD-40, it won't hurt anything, and it can make stuff work. You think that's enough? Nah, let's just put some on there. There. Oh my gosh, it's going to lock up and freeze up and is never going to work again. Thing about WD-40 is it'll freeze stuff up, but after it dries, what happens is there's the gunk that was in there is still there. And so, oh look, it's starting to work already. Now on a machine like this, it's got a little rust in the segment. I usually bring a key up, and then I push it to the left a little bit, push it to the right a little bit, wiggle it, and then see what it does. Getting there. Okay, almost got there. That one's stuck up. I'm not going to do all these on the video, but let's see. Okay, that one's stuck. I'm pushing it to the right, wiggling it. I'm pushing it to the left, wiggling it. And then sometimes it's this key on the left, push it on the right, and then I could free it up. Now, do you think we have enough WD on there? No. Let's put some. I don't think it'll hurt a thing, but we'll test it, check it in a week after it sits, and see if it's just locked up. Let's put some in here. Let's free up these margins. Oh wow, oh wow. Now of course I'm not going to blow this off. I could. That's probably the best way to do it, is to blow it off, but most people don't have air. Let's put some over here. Oh yeah, is that enough? No, let's put some more. Yeah, here we go. Oh, the devil's that it's working right now. Just got tired of the people in the WD-40 thing. And I know a lot of you professionals probably use WD-40 also, just for some, you know, start. You probably don't use it to finish a machine. There we go.
The service department's calling. The service department's calling.
Oh.
Answer, yes or no.
Just wiggle it to the right, push it to the right. I'm pushing it to the left, taking it up and down. Freed up. So I think that's probably enough. But let's just put some more, because you know this is the devil spray. And you know what? It would make this look really pretty right here. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay, I think that's enough. I think you get the idea. we'll come back and check it. Okay, good enough. Now I'll do a little write-up on it. Okay, caution, don't ever use WD-40.